A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to our online mathematics class. Today I am going to teach you subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers and identify these results on the number line. Identify these results on the number line. So we already know what is integers. Integer number system is the extension of whole numbers, right? Integer system is the extension of whole numbers. Whole numbers means it is an extension of natural numbers, right? So positive and negative including 0, positive numbers and negative numbers including 0 are called integers, right? So let's get into the topic. Subtraction of integers. So subtraction of integers. Let us see some examples. Here subtract 2 from 5. Subtract minus 2 from 5. Subtract 2 from minus 5 and subtract minus 2 from minus 5. Okay, so we already know this result is 5 minus 2 is equals to 3, right? Okay, first one is clear. So here 5 minus of minus 2. We just multiply these two signs, these two symbols are. So we already know minus into minus is equals to what is the result? Minus into minus is equals to plus, right? So 5 plus 2. Result is 5 plus 2. We have to multiply first symbols or signs. So minus into minus is equals to plus. So 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. Result is 7. Always we have to prefer highest integer symbol. So here highest one is plus 5. So here plus 3 result is. Here in this both highest one is plus 5. Here is also plus 7. Next one. So in this example both are even symbols, right? So this is minus, this is also minus. What we have to do? So here we have to do addition. Okay, which symbol we have to prefer? Highest one symbol. Highest one symbol is minus. So minus addition. Minus 5 minus 2. Result is 7. Next one. So here minus 5. Subtract minus 2 from minus 5. In this case, first we have to multiply these two signs. So minus 5 minus into minus plus 2. So one is negative, one is positive. What we have to do? Subtraction. We have to prefer always highest one symbol. So result goes minus 5 plus 2. Result is 3. This is the way we can subtract integers from integers. So let us see some more examples. Okay. So here we just take some more examples related to subtraction of integers. So this is a subtraction. This is also subtraction. These are all subtractions. This is also subtraction of integers. Okay. First we have to clear these two symbols multiplication, right? So minus into minus is plus. So 6 plus 1. So that is equals to 6 plus 1 is 7. And again 6 minus of minus 5. Subtract minus 5 from 6. Okay. We just multiply these two symbols first, right? So 6 minus into minus is plus 5. Result is 11. Always we can prefer highest one symbol. Here highest one is 6 plus. Here is also highest one 6 plus. Okay. So 8 minus of minus 7. So 8 minus into minus plus 7. That is equals to 8 plus 7. 15. Okay. Here subtract 7 from 3. Subtract 7 from 3. Subtract highest one from lowest one, right? Subtract highest one from lowest one. Okay, so which symbol we have to prefer? Minus. Why? Because here highest one symbol is negative, right? Okay, so 3 minus 7, result is 4. 14 minus of minus 15 means minus into minus plus. 14 plus 15, that is equals to here 29. Next one, minus 2. Here minus 2. Subtract minus 1 from minus 2. So minus 2. Minus into minus plus 1. Here subtract minus 1 from minus 2. Here minus into minus plus. Minus 2 plus 1. Subtract 1 from 2, right? So highest one symbol is minus. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Okay, next one. So 35 minus into minus plus 20. So that is equals to, so 35 plus 20, result is 55. Here subtract 25 from 15. Okay, so always we have to prefer highest one symbol, right? So here symbol is minus. 25 minus 15 is equals to 10. This is the final result. Okay, okay. And again one more question. So here subtract plus 10. So subtract 10 from minus 5. Subtract 10 from minus 5. So minus 5 plus into minus, here minus 10. So here both are negative integers, right? Both are negative integers. What we have to do? Addition, right? Addition. 5 plus 10 is equals to 15. So 15. So we have to prefer always highest one symbol. Here highest one symbol is minus. So this is the final result. This is the way we can subtract any integer from any integer. Okay, right. So next our topic is identify the subtraction result, integer subtraction result on the number line. Identify the subtraction result on the number line. So here 5 minus 3. What is the result? 5 minus 3 is 2, right? 5 minus 3, result is 2. So here our question is subtract a positive integer from positive integer. So identify this result on the number line. So in this situation, you subtract a positive integer, you move left side on the number line. You move left side on the number line. Okay, so here subtract 3 from 5. So here this is 5 position on the number line. Subtract 3 means you move left side on the number line. So 1, 2, 3. So you just move left side on the number line. This is left side. Okay, subtract a positive number. Subtract a positive integer from a number, then you can move left side on the number line. So here 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So 5 minus 3. Result is here 2. Okay, right. Similarly, in this case is also 4 minus 7. Subtract a positive integer from an integer. So here result is 4 minus 7 means 3. 7 minus 4 is equals to 3, right? So which symbol we have to prefer? Highest one, that is equals to minus 3. What is our condition? So from this statement we can conclude that we have to move left side on the number line. You subtract a positive integer, you move left side on the number line. So this is a positive integer, right? So 4. So 4 position on the number line is here, right? Right. Minus 7. So 4 minus 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the result. So minus 3 is the result. So subtract 7 from 4. Subtract 7 from 4. So minus 7. Okay. So in our third one, minus 5 minus 2. Subtract a positive integer from negative 1. Subtract a positive integer from negative 1. So that is equals to, so here minus 5 minus 2. Both are even symbols, right? So we can add these two integers. So we get the result 7. So what is the result? Minus 7. So subtract 2 from minus 5. So where is the minus 5 place on the number line? It is here. Okay. Minus 5 minus 2. Subtract 2 from minus 5. So 1, 2. Minus 2. Okay. Result is minus 7. This is the final result. So you subtract a positive integer, you move left side on the number line. This is the fundamental statement. Okay, right. Next model, subtract a negative integer. So subtract a negative integer. These are all negative integers. Okay, so you subtract a negative integer, you move right side on the number line. Right side, this side. Okay, right side. You just move right side on the number line. So here first question, 6 minus of minus 2. So subtract a negative integer. So here minus into minus plus. 6 plus 2 is equals to, result is 8. Subtract a negative integer. You just move right side on the number line. So here 6 minus 2 means minus of minus 2 means plus 2. So here 6 is here. So plus 2 means you just move right side on the number line. So 1, 2. Okay. Next one, 5 minus of minus 7 means minus into minus plus. So 5 plus 7. So that is equals to 12. So this is a subtraction of negative integer, right? In this process, we have to move right side on the number line. So here 5 is here. Plus 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here plus 7. The subtraction of negative integer, we just move right side on the number line. So here is also minus 3 minus of minus 2. So that is equals to minus 3 minus into minus plus 2. So that is equals to minus 3 plus 2. One is negative, one is positive. What we have to do? Subtraction, right? So 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Always highest one symbol we have to prefer minus 1, result is. So in this case, the subtraction of negative integer, in this case we have to move right side on the number line. So minus 3 is here, plus 2 means 1, 2. So that is equals to minus 3 plus 2. This is the final result. Okay, my dear students, in exercise 3, first Roman, represent the following subtractions on the number line. Represent following subtractions on the number line. So here first one is 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. Result is 5, right? So in subtract a positive integer, so this is a positive integer, we move left side on the number line. Subtract a positive integer, we move left side on the number line. So here 7 is here. We move left side on the number line. 7 minus 2. So 1, 2. Okay. 7 minus 2. So result is 5. So subtract a positive integer, we move left side on the number line. So minus 2. Result is 5. Okay. So next question, fifth one. So 5 minus of minus 8. So this is the subtraction of negative integer. This is a subtraction of negative integer. So subtract a negative integer, we move right side on the number line. Subtract a negative integer, we move right side on the number line. So here 5 minus of minus 8. First we have to multiply these two symbols, right? So minus into minus plus. 5 plus 8. Result is 13. So subtract a negative integer. We have to move right side on the number line. So here 5 is here, right? So here 5. So plus 8 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 to 13. This is the final result. So addition of 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. Once again I repeat. So here our question is fifth one. 5 minus of minus 8. This is the subtraction of negative integer. Okay, this is a subtraction of negative integer. What we have to do? Subtract a negative integer. We have to move right side on the number line. We move right side on the number line. So 5. 5 is here on the number line. So plus 8 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. So this is the final result. Subtract a positive integer, we move left side on the number line. We move left side on the number line. Subtract a negative integer, we have to move right side on the number line. Okay, right. So in the next Roman 3.2, compute the following. So fifth question, 25 minus 33. 25 minus 33. So fifth question, second Roman, 25 minus 33. Subtract 33 from 25. So 33 is the highest number, right? Here 33 is the highest number. Which symbol we have to prefer? Highest one. So result goes to minus. So one is positive, one is negative. What we have to do? Subtraction. So 33 minus 25 means 8, right? So 8. So final result is minus 8. So similarly, sixth question, 80 minus of minus 50. So first we have to multiply these two symbols, right? First we have to multiply these two symbols. So that is equals to 80 minus into minus plus 50. Result is 130. This is the final result. Okay, first we have to multiply these two symbols. Okay, subtract a negative integer. Here subtract a positive integer. So 80 minus into minus plus 50. So that is equals to 130 is the final result. Okay, my dear students, in exercise 3, remaining problems as your homework. If you have any doubts in the session, please contact my number. Thank you. Have a good day.